Hello everybody, how are you doing? I hope you are doing amazingly. Cause me, I'm doing amazing. Nimepotea. I know, like, girl, where did you go? We thought new year, new you. What happened? Yeah, so nimekuwa nikipotea. Sijakuwa na ile energy ya posting or doing anything. I've just been laying around, you know. Kuna some point in life unafikanga unafeel ni kama motivation, like ni kama you don't feel like doing anything, you just let the flow, any life to flow, and that has been me for the past 1 month. But right now I'm planning to come back. I'm planning to come back, as you know I'm a mom, so I don't know kama mnaweza msikia, but right now I want to come back, like ile like fully, and it's starting with this video. So in this video I'm so happy about this video because I'm always so happy with the small things happening in my life. I'm always like, oh my god, like is it happening? Is that me? Gosh, like I've been really wanting to get some things for the house, and yeah, it's literally coming together. And also Happy got some things for me, and yeah, you're going to see them. So this video particularly is for like unboxing, like we're going to be unboxing a lot of things, like a lot, like I don't know, maybe kwako inaweza kuwa it's not a lot, but to me it's a lot, and I just feel so happy and humbled at the same time. And also Nikki, thank God, the year has just started with the like na high note, so I know that like it's going to continue being like that, like mpaka mwaka iishe, and you know, yeah, something like that. And then another thing is that it has been really sunny, and sipendi, like kuna watu wanapenda jua na pia at the same time spendi mvua, because there's a time that you want to get out and it's raining and you cannot go out, but when it is sunny you can just go out. The sun comes with a lot of dust, so I've been doing a lot of cleaning and all that, but not in this video. So yeah, imekuwa tu cleaning here and there, and now it has started raining, and I'm so happy. I'm very happy, and yeah, I just feel so happy and amazing. Yeah, so in this part kuna hizo parts zenye nilichukua, and then I wanted to do like a introduction video. Yeah, so I know you're going to love this. Please tuko 90 tufike like so before Feb iishe, so that we can grow, and then I'll try and post more videos for you guys. I know you watch me, and I'm so humbled for everybody who likes my video, who gives me those views and all that, and I'm so happy and grateful, and I love you guys. I love you so much. Yeah, so that we're back, I wanted you guys to show you something. So Valentine was actually on Saturday. Today is on Monday. I don't know when I'm going to be posting this vlog. Today is on Monday, and you know what, I God, I'm so happy. You know, when you just making those New Year's resolution, unakuanga like, I want this, I want that, I want that, and you're like, I'm going to treat myself, not knowing that you're going to be treated by someone else. So this year I had literally said I want to smell nice, because I truly do love people who smell nice. Like unapatana na mtu tu ana smell nice, and you just feel great. You'll be like, that girl, oh my god, what do you say? You're smelling nice. Yes, and that. So my gift for Valentine was 3 cents, and I've tried one and I love it. I think that one is my favorite. And guys, oh, what are you saying? Like, look, clock it. I have 3 scents. This is scent number 1, and then I've opened all of them to check them. Then this is scent number 2, like that. And then is scent number 2, and then this is scent number 3. Oh my god, let's just open them together. Like, let's start with this one. I'm so happy. Inakaa hivi. It's literally, it smells nice, this one, but it's a little bit like iko kakonki. I've had this scent again before, but ilikuwa kadogo, it was not this big. So yeah, I think I'm going to use this one right now, and then the other one is this one. Let's check it out. I'm so super happy. My man said you need to smell nice, you know. It looks like this. So you're scenting in a bado iko. This one is strong. This one is so strong, but I definitely love it. Then the other one is this one. Oh my god, mkinipatana na mimi huko nje, this one is like kind of my favorite. I had applied it yesterday and I loved it. It is smelling like candy. I just giggling like a baby. I'm just a girl. Oh my god, I'm just a girl. So I have three scents. At least tunaanza mahali, you know. So I have these 3 scents. Oh my god, sijui like sijui kama mtaniweza. Like, oh, I'm going to smell nice, and then I'm just, by the end of this year I'm going to have more and more scents. I'm good. That is for sure that I'm going to have more and more scents this year. Trust me, you. So let's see which one I'm going with. No, let me. I just want to go outside and buy meat. I want to make osomboko for dinner. So I guess I'm going to apply this one. Oh my god, I hope I'm not wasting these ones. Oh yeah, I'm going to apply that one because I'm going outside. Yeah, so 3 scents for me. And then I also bought I don't know, sijui kama nirudishe kamera nyuma ama you will see. I also bought these it's like I don't know, it's like a sweatpants kind of, and then it has like ragged like wide legs at the bottom. Yeah, so I got this one. I cleaned clothes yesterday, so it's already cleaned, so I'm going to just kunja it and pack it in the wardrobe. And then it comes with a top. Let me turn it around for you guys. But when I was buying it, I knew that I'm not going to be wearing them at the same time, but we'll know. So this is how the top looks like. It's definitely a crop top. Yeah, so cute, so cute. So basically that what are not short, the rest of the things I did videos that I'm going to combine with these ones, and then you're going to see. And then I'm still waiting for one more thing. I hope it's going to arrive today so that I can start editing this video. I'm waiting for one more thing so that I can unbox and post it. If it won't come today, then I'll have to edit this, and I don't know, maybe you're going to see that thing in the next vlog. So guys, I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog. I hope you're going to give me those likes. Aki, motivate me, what do you mean? Ebu muni motivate. I also got shoes, but this one is a kitambo I'd mentioned in my previous video, so I'm not going to show you those. Yeah, I'm so excited. The girl is always happy when she has new things, and that is me basically. What do you mean? I'm always so excited about new things, and that is me, guys. That is me. So yes guys, till the next one, see you guys. I'm basically going to be like talking to you now. I have somewhere to place my phone and talk to you guys while I'm seated here in this bed. So yeah, see you later guys. I love you so much. Take that thing.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were soaring, kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know, yeah, if you're down. Love you cause I'm showing up with you. Like baby, when I fall, you pick me up. Like you bless me with all your love. I can't hold up, we can never go down. All the way up from here is what I want. If they try to put you down, I shoot. They can never wear the same shoes. They don't match up, is that lost if you down? I can take you on a cruise if you down. I might put an ass on snooze if you down. Maybe we could break the rules if you down. Just let me know if you down. We gon' win all the awards, cause if you down. Big couple goals if you down. When I touch down, we go down if you down. Just let me know, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. You hold me down, yeah. Know I make minimum wage, but when it's time I got something to say. I be praying everything go my way, and if it does, I'll buy you a ring. Yeah, all I want, all I need, yeah. Hold me down, hold me down, hold me down. Cause if you're down, I can take you on the cruise if you're down. I might put that ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Let me know, cause if you're down, we gon' win all the awards if you're down. We couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. I can take you on a cruise if you're down. I might put an ass on snooze if you're down. Maybe we could break the rules if you're down. Just let me know if you're down. We gon' win all the awards if you're down. Couple goals if you're down. When I touch down, we go down if you're down. Just let me know.
Sun, searching for a long good day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make it shine. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Yeah. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.